Glad to have you all joining us today. My name is James, your sleep coach here at Sleep Play. It's great to be here with you. Those of you who haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and do so. While you're at it, hit that notification bell to be notified of updated videos on the latest and greatest sleep products and news. Now, if you suspect you have sleep apnea, know you need to test but fear going into a sleep lab because you heard of the 1,000 wires they attach, some to your skin around your eye, some around your chest, some on your face or leg, tip of your finger, and the sticky sensors that stick to your head, measuring your brain activity. Being on video and audio monitored all night long. Have no fear, the home sleep study test is here. Not as accurate, of course, but getting the job done. The device today we'll be walking you through how to get set up and what's needed is the WatchPAT ONE home sleep study device. This device uses PAT technology, which stands for peripheral arterial tonometry, to identify sleep apnea in patients. This measures the arterial pulse volume in the finger. Before getting started, you'll need a few things, 5 of them to be exact. Your phone, the WatchPAT ONE device, of course, internet access, the pin from your doctor, and you'll need to upload the WatchPAT ONE application. Once the app is downloaded to your smartphone, you need to OK all permissions. Take out the WatchPAT ONE and on the application press the preview button on the welcome screen. This will give you a short step-by-step tour to set up your device. When you're ready, press the ready button. After you've taken out the WatchPAT device from its packaging, next you're going to insert the battery and make sure the green indication light blinks on the app. Then press the next button once again. You're going to insert the 4-digit code provided by the doctor and press enter. Take the snoring and body position sensor as shown on the app. Direct it through your shirt or pajama sleeve up to the neck area. Remove the tab to reveal the adhesive and apply it to the sternal notch. If needed, it's recommended to use medical tape to apply the sensor. Once done, press next on the app once again. Take the wrist device and strap onto your non-dominant hand and press next. Place the finger probe on the index finger also on your non-dominant hand. Once the finger probe's inside, then press the tip of the probe against a hard surface to assure it's secure. Remove the tab and press next on the app once again. You're all set. Make sure the phone is no further than 15 feet away. You should be fine placing on your nightstand or dresser next to the bed. Make sure to turn off all other transmitting devices in the room that may interfere. Simply press start when you're ready to go to bed to start your test. Keep the phone plugged into the electrical outlet all night. If you need to go to the bathroom, just go, and when back, the WatchPAT device will automatically reconnect to your phone if needed. Once up in the morning, simply press end recording on the app. Wait next to the phone for a few minutes while the device completes the data submission on the screen. If needed, you can use the phone as normal during this period. Remove the probe sensor and WatchPAT device once the transmission is done. You will receive a thank you message and you can press close app. The information will be available for your physician to interpret, and that's it. There you have it, the WatchPAT ONE home sleep test. If you're interested in the device and ready to find out more, click the link below. Visit sleepplay.com to take the next step in purchasing your device. Of course, if you enjoyed this video and this content, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon, everyone. So long and sweet dreams.